like if it gets pushed around.
I think this is the wafer that is breathing enough to not kind of mess up your skin,
It's a glucose monitor.
but it is sticky enough to stick to your skin. So now what happened is
chip in there.
when I actually installed it, this thing was in one side and that thing was in the other side of that little thing that comes, right? And then when you snap it in, then it picks up this part. Okay, so you look at this, right? This is what I think there is a needle in here. Like when you
Yeah, it goes in.
when you snap it onto your skin, either this itself is piercing your skin, this little thing, or there is actually a needle that is piercing it. And oh no, put it over there so people can see it. So now let's pop this off and see if it comes off. Because it got picked up when let's see. Let's take a knife and I'm messing with my video here. Let's see. So let's examine this properly for the viewers on my YouTube channel, the fledgling super hit YouTube channel.
That's right.
So you see this, my guess is when it is popping it, when you stick it to your hand, this particular thing over here is actually by itself piercing your hand.
Yeah.
It is doing so quickly that it is going into your hand. Now you see this thing is continuing over there. You see that? I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this one is, okay, you see this? This is your, oh, that's just a,
Oh,
so there are three endpoints to this. I don't know what are those three, but 1, 2, 3. You see that?
They're electric.
Those are getting connected to these 1, 2, 3.
Which themselves go into these.
Oh, those are the endpoints. 3. So this is electrical. This is an electrical device.
Yeah.
There's no chemical is involved.
Yeah.
But how are these 3 getting connected?
It's just a wire.
You know, but it didn't work. Let's see, what is this fish? There are 3 of them.
What?
Okay, ditch it. So that's a connection mechanism. Now, I think they are picking this up and sticking it in. I don't know why. They don't put this in and sell it. This is on one side, this is on the other side. When you install it on your skin, that's when they pop this into that. I don't know why they don't ship it that way, but okay, now let's see. So there is a battery in there. You can see that, that's a battery right there. Now shall we take this apart? Okay. I don't think we need to pry it a little bit. Let's see. You see this over here? There's a little notch out here. You see this over here? There's a notch here, right? Over there. So we are going to use this notch to pop it. I'm assuming we have to use destructive methods.
I guess it was not designed to be opened.
I think they just snapped it in somehow, but there is a notch here. Now this is going to hurt my hand potentially. Doesn't work. Any ideas, boy? No. Shall we take a hammer to it? Go bring a hammer.
పెద్ద స్పేస్ ఉండేసరికి తొందరగా ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది బికాస్ ఐ కెన్ కవర్ మోర్ స్పేస్ రైట్ దాంతో ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు
Wait. Think I'm
ఐఎమ్
able
ఏబుల్
to.
టు డూ లాట్ మోర్ ఇన్ వన్ గో. నాకు ఇప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి తెలుసా, నా క్లాసెట్లో స్పేస్ లేదు. సో the istri that I'm doing, when I hang it, the clothes are becoming crumpled. So chesin istri ante
Oh, this is a plastic, very soft plastic. This is this one.
Opening this glucose.
Oh, this is just a waterproof covering, Chinaya.
Yeah, we're not gonna get the good parts.
We're not going to get to the good parts from here.
So it's hard to smash the outside.
No, let's easy things. One easy thing at a time. This is just a waterproof casing, I think. This white part.
Did Prashant get back to you?
No.
So this is just a circuit board supported by a battery in here. This is not a chemical test at all.
So are they just making up numbers?
I think if we pop this,
That's
it's just a sticky thing. You got a way in, boy. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
What?
See, we were trying to pop it, but the way in is by stripping off this waterproof casing.
You have to paint the Vinayaka. It is 3 years since we went to.
Oh, you know what? If we slice off these, it might slide off by itself. See what I mean?
It's a dry storm.
Huh? Yo, no fighting.
Yeah. How did this happen?
How many times tweezer have come for productive use? Tweezers are underappreciated in life.
No, not by women.
Oh, so this part is just a circuit board. Probably is gonna come off just like that. See, without this, there's nothing. This is just the casing. This is the hard plastic casing. You see this?
So chemical test must happen in there. No,
There's
that's a
no
battery.
chemical test. This is all electrical product. There is no chemical here. See, this is where
It must be just detecting all your blood sugar through electric reactions.
electrical voltage pulse detection. See, this one is the circuit. This is the IC. Probably one of these is a transmitter. Which one? Is this one's probably a transmitter?
Yeah.
This one seems to be a transmitter. Yes, this one's a transmitter. So this thing got connected. This thing got connected to the. That's a battery, tiny battery. I am pretty sure that battery still got some juice in it, except so wait. Remember, these three tiny bits over here. These three tiny bits were connected to these three tiny bits. Mm-hmm. Those three tiny bits are over here. Those three are basically detecting electrical. Oh wait, it's got some spec here. So 2.15 OC 138L. I don't know. Is 94V-0H. No. This is definitely a transmitter. This one's like Bluetooth connecting to the phone. This one is a battery powering, and all of this is basically measuring base electrical pulses. So there it is. What is this? This one's a.
Yeah, it is because అది
This
మామూలు
one's
పనిచేయట్లేదు.
a
So
Lingo.
మామూలు పెడితే 2 sometimes 3